Hello, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. It's the first time I'm doing something like that for my channel, but I think it's an exciting purchase. And although I keep saying myself I will not buy more cameras, I always buy new cameras. In any case, one day this will stop, hopefully. So, I just opened I used this before, don't have any injuries. And the cameras we have today is the Sprocket Rocket in red, the half frame Lomourette, the simple use reloadable black and white, and last but not least, the LomoApparat, the Egon Schiele, if I'm saying that correct. I think I'm not saying that correct. I was debating between this one and the one which is like the name Fluffy Omelette or something like that. But I think this is more beautiful actually, and let's go for this one. So the whole idea for me was like I was looking for a different type of camera, which is like the Sprocket Rocket, because we spoke for, and I'll come back to that. We spoke for Pentax 17, and I can link it to some of the videos I have about this camera. And the idea was like this is taking half rate, but when you go to Sprocket Rocket, it's a panorama camera which I never use, and actually when you take one photo, it covers 2 frames, and the other idea is like I think Sprocket because you can see this on the photo. So let's open this one first. And I don't know what is this doing. Look inside. Well, we'll find out. And what it says? Tripod mount strap screw. So if you're going to use it in a tripod, you should screw this below. But I like the red color, and I'll come back to you more about this when I shoot. And I don't know if there is something else in the box. Okay. It looks like they have like this booklet, which is typical from the Lomography cameras. They have booklets with photos and information about the camera. I think it looks, what I like is, what I don't like is that you cannot have it on your neck, but maybe there is a way. And I have to learn how to use it. We'll see, might be fun. But it's a cute one. It's nice for the collection. And then I was debating about the color, but then I decided to go for between the red or the blue mainly. But I'm really curious. I felt something. No, it's okay. I don't know if it feels like a scratch or something. But maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm wrong. But the reason I wanted this is like it's a different perspective, and I like to experimenting with different perspectives with cameras. And I was looking for this camera, and I've gone to my local shop, and I wasn't impressed about the ignorance of the person who sell it. It goes on their website and you have to order it, but they didn't know a lot about the camera. And when I go to buy anything, if the person who sells it is able to give me some passion about his product, it motivates me to spend more money. Then when I tried to order this from Lomography, I had to pay some cost for the posting, and it's like 15 euros, and I thought, why not buy more cameras and don't pay the posting cost, which doesn't make total sense. But okay, then let's go and open the box about the Lomourette. And okay, we have again, there's maybe the lens cover, we have the camera. It's really cute, I think. The flash, I don't think I will use it. And it's a traditional Diana F flash. And also come with a nice booklet inside. Yeah. have a lot of reflection. My light, I put the light there and for help, but it reflects badly. And yeah, something else not inside, but this is a half frame camera, and I don't know if this is inspired of the idea that they use the, how can I say, because Pentax 17 became popular and it is close to that day that they release it, so I don't know if it has anything to do with that. And I think this especially is total waste of money from, I tried to cut this, total waste of money from my side. And the reason is that I already have a Diana Mini, and I think this is just a simplification of this model, because this can take squares and half frame, and actually I want to reuse it. I don't think I never used this as a half frame camera, but because of the Pentax it motivates me to try that one. So yeah, I'll come back with this camera in a new video also at some point. And yeah, this one I think it's just gone for the collection, and I'm guilty for that as usually. Yeah, so well, it's a good camera, and except like the other Diana, which I think it's in the family of the Diana, just because of the, how can I say, I think maybe they make this product, but I don't know why they didn't call it something else. I made this product possibly because there are some other half frame cameras on the market, and for them it goes quite easy to adapt the other, possibly to adapt the other product to this one. But this is like, Lomography, and yeah, and I have also the Diana 120 Mr. Pink. Part of it is I like this type of Holga cameras, and I like it's pink, so pink. And maybe for this one, maybe I would buy one at some point in the future, something, just because they are beautiful. And it's not too bad as a camera if you like this style of cameras. So we covered the two of them. Then let's go for this one. This is like same philosophy like with the single-use cameras, but it's reloadable. And I tried the black and white because, as you can see, most of my work is black and white. Oh, and it's funny because here it says 27 exposures, and I think in the photo in the website, oh yeah, here it says the same, but I think in their website it was saying 36, so I don't know, we'll find out. No, I mean, this will be 27 for sure, but I don't know how can I use it later. But this is a pretty simple camera, and I like these cameras, so if it works, fine. And the differences between this and the more like, how can I say, more the other, like this type of cameras I think I saw you like, and maybe I will link you to the Vivitar one I made a few weeks ago. This difference is like the way it loads this one. So first you like, when you load this camera, I've seen some videos, so first you transfer the film, and then you transfer you put it, then as you take the photos, the film is going back to the cartridge, if that's the correct word. Usually in the cameras you take the photos and then you have to rewind, but this is like first you do the rewinding and then you take it back. So this is done, and then we have the LomoApparat, which may be the most expensive among them, and this is the, yeah, you can feel like even the packaging it feels more, but the book is bigger and like a better quality. And we have this, I think this is to put the accessories inside. Oh, it's I think it's really beautiful. So if we unpack it, it's the first time I'm doing an unboxing thing. It's weird. So yeah, okay. Oh, they have like the filters. Look how beautiful it is. It's a really beautiful camera. It's a really good addition in my collection. I was surprised. I wasn't. Look at the details, like the name. I think this is the name of the painter. And in the back they have some filters, I think, here. It's definitely a beautiful camera. So, and then they have, yeah, they have some accessories here in the box. This is they call it an experimental camera, so there might be more choices to experiment. And I think this is one of the reasons I bought it, because I like to experiment. So they have like a splitter, like to make things, and I don't know what's that. And they have like a prism, and I think this is for close up. I'm not opening at the moment these ones. And this looks like, yeah, yeah. I think this is like, it's like a metallic one. To have it around your neck, because if you can tell from the photo, and it says the total experimental 35mm film camera with a 21mm wide angle lens. So I think this will be an interesting thing to try. And I'm really, I mean, my reaction is honest. I wasn't expecting it to be. It feels plastic. And that feels weird. But I wasn't expecting it to be so beautiful. So I think that's for more or less for today. And I mean, all this cost me less than 250 euros, and I like to play with cheap cameras. I was looking like the prices of some new cameras from, I don't remember the brand. It was like 5k, and I don't think I will ever spend this amount of cameras in this. And I don't think, even if I have a collection of cameras, I don't think the value is going to this price range. So I wouldn't suggest somebody to do that if they cannot afford it. But for me, I don't have to pay rent. I mean, I don't have friends. I don't have like family. So I mean, my parents are alive, but I don't have kids or something like that. So it's my passion and it's my hobby, and it makes me feel better the whole process, and I'm doing that. So I wouldn't like recommend somebody to spend even this small amount of money in cameras if they cannot afford it. So just do it if you only have the luxury to do it. And I mean, I'm grateful that my job, I can work to buy cameras, and buy films and play with these things, and it's quite rewarding for me to do these little videos. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will stay tuned to see more videos in the future, not only from these cameras, but as we say, also for like the Mr. Pink, which I hope to make one day, and the Diana, the Mini, and the rest of them. And so if you like this type of cameras, and also you can try some other videos I make, like to more like, I can maybe link on that, more like sharing my thoughts about photography in general. Maybe I can link a playlist. And yes, if you like my work, please like the video, subscribe, and follow and like ask any questions or thoughts, or if you used any of these cameras, I want to hear your opinions. And also you can, if you go in my profile, you can see my link to Instagram, and you can follow me also there. I wish you the best, and thanks for staying around and sharing my own passion and fun. Have a good day. Bye.